is finally over. On Friday, February 11th, the team behind NASA's legendary James Webb Space Telescope released some of the first images captured from the much-anticipated observatory. The main photo doesn't even begin to hint at the power the JWST will bring to the universe once it's fully operational. It shows HD 84406, a star that belongs to the Ursa Major constellation, or the Big Bear, which is otherwise not visible from Earth. The Sun-like star is about 260 light-years away from us, but it's the perfect target for Webb since its brightness is steady. The image is only a portion of the mosaics taken over 25 hours, beginning on the 2nd of February during the ongoing process of aligning the JWST segmented mirror. Oddly, the telescope will not be able to observe HD 84406 later in its tenure, because once it's focused, the star will be too bright to look at. The Space Telescope is still in the middle of a commissioning process that expected to last about 6 months. It spent the first month after its Christmas Day launch, unfolding from its launch configuration and trekking nearly 1 million miles away from Earth. Scientists will spend a major portion of the remaining time walking and calibrating the observatory's instruments. It will also be making several minute adjustments to its 18 golden mirror segments, which are necessary to capture crisp, clear images of deep space. But even as the JWST works to hone its vision, a second key process is taking place in the background as the observatory dissipates the remaining heat from its time on Earth into space. Since the telescope is tuned to study the universe in infrared light, which also registers as heat, it must be incredibly cold to capture accurate data. So, the NASA team expects that the golden primary mirror will reach temperatures as low as minus 370 degrees Fahrenheit, and the instruments will be even colder. In addition to the image of the HD 84406, the space agency also shared a selfie that the JWST observatory had taken using a special lens, targeting its primary mirror to assist while alignment was taking place. All said and done, scientists are all thrilled with the observatory's progress. Michael McIlwain, the Webb Observatory project scientist, stated that launching the JWST to space was an equally exciting moment for both scientists and optical engineers. He said the images signified a pinnacle moment since the light from a star had successfully made its way through the system and down onto a detector. The telescope still has a long way to go, as shown by the image of HD 84406. Jane Rigby, Webb Operations Project scientist, had stated in a conference held on January 8th as the telescope was still unstowing its mirrors that the first few images would be blurry. When the images become more clear, the possibilities of JWST remain endless. We may even get to unravel the biggest mysteries of the universe.